Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Motorola Razr 7A Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is check the headphones. So if you got your headphones, and I'm talking about the wired ones, make sure to test them with another device to make sure that they're working, and try to inspect your charging port for any visible damage. So of course we got the charging port right here at the bottom, but we want to make sure that there's no debris inside, and as you guys can see, we can see it through the light that there's nothing. So that's how we know that our charging port is clean and that we do not need to touch it. But if you see something like dust or etc., you can use a soft brush or an air compressor to clean it. Now, what else can you guys do is restart the phone. Of course, this is very important because what if the system is just glitchy, and a simple restart can help refresh the entire system and fix the glitch. So we're gonna press the power button, volume up button, and tap on the restart. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, if you're using an adapter, make sure you're using an original one or a certified one. This is very important because if you use a cheap adapter, it can break down any second and you will have no idea when or why. Now what are we going to do is we're simply going to update our phone software. So this is as a last step here. We're going into settings and we need to swipe down until we see system updates. Here we tap on it and click check for updates. It will check for updates automatically. And as you guys can see, I'm on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating because it can fix everything. And I really mean it. It can fix your headphones not being detected properly from the charging port or an adapter. And of course, now we're going to switch into the Bluetooth headphones. So what about the Bluetooth headphones? What are we going to do is first we want to toggle the Bluetooth off and on. So we go over into connected devices, we go over into connection preferences, and we go to Bluetooth. Here we enable the Bluetooth, and if you had it already enabled, you tap it off and tap it on. Now as you guys can see, we got our saved device, and as you guys can see, I do have my AirPods open, but they're just not pairing. So what are we going to do is we're going to click on the gear icon and click forget. We're going to click forget device, and now we need to for me, I just got to close the case, open it again, and double tap. So you guys can see now we got the white blinking light. We click on pair new device here and they will appear here. So we click on them, we click on pair, and the light changes to green. So now we are done with the setup of them, and of course we just forgot them, repaired them. And if your headphones are not pairing, make sure to charge them fully. It's very important to keep up with the battery because you want to make sure that there's 100%. Sometimes they will not pair if it's less than, let's say, 20 or 10. And of course, what are we going to do next as a last resort is reset the Bluetooth settings. So we're going to scroll down into the system. Now in the system, we press on reset options, and here we click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We click on reset, and now that's it. So of course, now after the reset, we have to add the device again, and as a last and final resort, you can do the same thing that people with the wired headphones did. So go to system update, click check for updates, and make sure you're on the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.